Australia's hardest hit state has unveiled a roadmap out of the pandemic. It could see New South Wales emerging from lockdown next month, but the promises will only apply to fully vaccinated people.
It's a glimpse of freedom after months in lockdown. The Australian state of New South Wales has unveiled how reopening will take place once full vaccination coverage hits 70%. Movement and gathering restrictions will be eased. Restaurants, bars, retail outlets and gyms could resume business as soon as mid-October, but only people who are fully vaccinated will benefit. Residents will have to show proof of their vaccination status to enter business outlets. State officials are pushing ahead with reopening, even as infection numbers stay high. New South Wales has reported more than 1,400 new local cases and 5 deaths.
We're definitely not out of the woods. We know that case numbers are likely to peak in the next week or so, and we also know that our hospital system will be under the greatest stress in October. However, we also know that living with COVID means you have a cautious and staged reopening once you get to those high rates of vaccination in your adult population.
In the meantime, vaccination efforts continue. Officials have been pulling out all the stops to boost coverage. Dedicated facilities have been set up and mobile centres established. More than 40% of adults in the state are fully vaccinated, while more than 2/3 have received their first dose.
I guess, look, I think it's pretty much trending that way, that we're not going to get anything moving on unless, we get a jab. So I really don't want to be the minority that's kind of stuck at home that didn't get a jab.
Not really keen, but I've had to swallow the fact that it has to be done, and I'm doing it for the community as well as myself and the safety of my family.
More freedoms have been promised once 80% of people are fully vaccinated. The state government has even suggested that international travel could resume for the first time in over a year.